Hello, we are the Team C, and today we are going to show our interactive learning project that was the company that was chosen was Navistar. So first of all, we are going to start with the history of the company. Next slide, please. Okay, so in 1902, McCormick Burger forms International Harvester. In 1904, International Harvester creates its first gasoline engine and tractor. In 1909, International Harvester creates its first pickup truck. In 1924, the formal tractor revolutionizes farming. In 1940, supporting America's defense needs through innovation. In 1960, IH cab-over engine trucks dominate U.S. on-highway market. Next slide, please. In 1977, the innovative axial flow combine is launched. In 1986, International Harvester becomes Navistar International Corporation. In 1995, Navistar becomes first fully integrated school bus manufacturer. And in 1903, Diamond Logic Builder creates the connected commercial truck. And finally, in 2021, Navistar is acquired by Traton. The company is located in Carretera Monclova. So next slide, please. So now I'm gonna give you a little introduction. This presentation shows the ergonomic study of the operation 142 of risker character of the line 2 of the Navistar company. The rule and method will be used for the analysis of this activity. Also, different alternatives and proposed solutions to this ergonomic problem will be shown. Finally, different diseases that can be avoided with these proposals will be shown. So here we have a product that is manufactured by Navistar. This tractor is the HX, and this has different key features. The first one is that has a standard all-metal grille with bright surround and bright grille bars. And also this has available industrial lighting and standard hook spin, frame, and crossmember fasteners deliver superior clamping force that lasts.
Okay, now I'm going to explain the formula that we are going to use and the ergonomic tool that will help us analyze the video. First, the formula that we are going to use is the vasometabolism one, the activity metabolism, and digestive metabolism, with the aim of finding the total metabolism. Next. To do the calculation, we have the information that the worker is 24 years old, 1.76 meters tall, and weighs 82 kilograms. Doing the math in each formula and then adding them up, it gives us the result of 2,038 kilocalories during the workday. Next, please. Now the ergonomic tool that we choose to evaluate the work that the worker is doing. We are going to use the rapid upper limb assessment evaluation, which evaluates the neck, the trunk of the body, and the upper extremities. Next, please. Once we analyze the video with the tables of the evaluation, we got 7 as our final result. Next.
So as a result of all our tests, we know that basal metabolism is a result of chemical change that occurs in the cells of an animal in the fasting and resting state, using just enough energy to maintain vital cellular activity, respiration, and circulation. Activity metabolism is how the body converts food into energy and eliminates waste, and digestive metabolism refers to how the cells utilize the energy we have absorbed from food during digestion. From our results, we have 2,038 kilocalories per day in a workday, and since this is above the 2,000 calories mark, we consider it heavy work because it's extremely demanding. To prevent any kind of injuries, it is recommended to have as many short breaks as a person may need to eliminate accumulated fatigue. Next, please. And as a result of our ergonomic test, as you can see, we have a table that shows us if this is acceptable, if this is requires change in the task. And since our ergonomic result was 7, this means that we require urgent changes in the task, and in particular, because it can lead to a muscular disorder or excessive fatigues, among other risks.
Now, the proposals for improvement that were thought of are the following. Provide the worker with an orthopedic girdle to protect the back from sudden efforts or movements. Tie a chain that runs through each handle so that the worker is positioned behind the machine to push instead of a pull. And the select improvement proposal was acquire an electric switch and apply it to the process so that it automatically drags the dolly. And the implementation of the improvement proposal, the description was an electric switch system was implemented, represented in blue color, which works electrically by dragging the dolly automatically in the direction of the yellow arrows by means of chains represented as dotted lines.
Okay, so now I'm going to talk about the eliminated risks due to this proposal. First, we have the potential reduction in workplace accidents. By eliminating the need for operators to perform intense physical movements, the risk of workplace accidents such as falls or injuries will be reduced or completely eliminated. Then we have the improvement in operational efficiency. By using this winch, we will simplify and speed up the process, which may also positively impact overall productivity. Next. Then we have the muscular and skeletal disorders. By using this winch, the risk of DTAs due to manual lifting and push and pull movement of this dolly will be eliminated. And finally, the excessive fatigue. Implementing this proposal can reduce excessive fatigue that will contribute to a safer and more sustainable work environment. Next, please. Then we have the cost of implementation. We have 3 main costs. First is the winch, that is about 51,000 pesos. Then we have the maintenance of this winch that will cost around 16,000 pesos. This will be once a year. And finally, we have the work training. Since our operators don't know how to use this machine, we will hire this service for them to know how to use it, and it will cost around 6,000 pesos. And the total implementation cost will be 73,000 pesos. Next. Then we have the eliminated DTAs. These are the most common DTAs presented in this workplace. We have five of them. First is the rotator cuff tendinitis, also known as tendinitis del manguito rotador, that causes a lot of pain in the shoulder. Then we have 2 of them in the hand and the wrist, the carpal tunnel syndrome and the tenosynovitis. Then we have the lumbago, that is caused for bad posture for a long time, and it causes a low back pain. And finally, we have cervical syndrome that causes a lot of pain in the neck. Next. Finally, we have a conclusion. The implementation of the proposed ergonomic solution offers several significant benefits. This solution effectively addresses ergonomic risk by eliminating the need for operators to exert intense physical efforts, reducing the risk of muscular or skeletal injuries and excessive fatigue. The application of ergonomic principles not only contributes to the prevention of injuries and DTAs, they also provide a healthier and more comfortable work environment. Also, attention to ergonomics can optimize operational processes, minimize accident risks, and enhance the quality of work. Finally, integrating ergonomic practices into the design and everyday operation of a company contributes to a safer, more efficient workplace that is conducive to the performance and well-being of all involved. Next. And that's all. Thanks.